Hey everyone, my name is James, and I'm the founder of an AI marketing software called Lightpost, and I have no-coded the entire backend of Lightpost using Make. Make has given me the ability to create the software of my clients' dreams. It's an all-in-one platform where in under about a minute you click generate, and it generates a blog and your social posts for you, but you can also upload directly to your blog. So you never have to leave the platform because it also uploads to all your social media, but it automatically does the SEO keyword research and the internal linking for you inside of the article, as well as generates photos for you and photoshops them together for you so that you truly can just do everything on the platform. And then when you're ready to schedule, you just drag and drop. The kicker is that I'm actually not a coder or software developer, and I don't know how to write any code. Before this, I did have a web agency, and I saw a problem that my clients were facing all the time, which is that nobody really has time to do monotonous marketing tasks like internal linking or looking up SEO keywords. And it defeats the purpose if you have to jump between multiple softwares or platforms. And so once AI started to become more powerful, then it just made sense to me to solve that problem where you could finally, push a button and in 1 minute have it do all of the monotonous things that my clients don't have time to do. And then you can spend more time on other parts of your business. You can work on your business and be more creative and whatnot. So I'd like to just talk about how Make has made this possible. If you are trying to solve a problem within your business, or if you even just want to create a software, if you're not even really sure where to start, one of my favorite things to do is just to come in here into Make and scroll through the just hundreds of service partners they have. They all provide some kind of service. And if you can figure out a way to pull together those different services, bundle them together, and then go to a business and solve the problem that they're facing with the click of a button, then they'll be very grateful. And that's what I gratefully have been able to do because of Make. So anytime there's a new feature that I want to add, I can add it very quickly. And that also gives me the ability to publish to any API. And bigger companies that offer posting, they don't post to users' blogs because it would just be too complicated. But because I've built the entire backend using Make, then I can scale and I can almost provide any service that I want within the software to each one of these clients. I do have a few tips for people. The first one would be thanks to ChatGPT, you are a full-time expert coder, and don't underestimate the power of trying to solve a problem, taking a screenshot, plugging it into GPT, and then creating a script. And whether that script is on the back end or the front end, you can solve a lot of problems, even if you don't fully understand exactly how to write the script yourself. The second tip that I have is that inside of Make, there's actually a scenario called create a scenario or run a scenario. And this allows you to connect together your several different scenarios inside of Make and process information in a bunch of super creative ways. There are also an extensive amount of prompt changes and updates that you're constantly doing. So the third tip that I have is to utilize variables within Make, which I'm not going to get into right now. But using those variables, you have the ability to easily swap out information without having to go into each scenario and constantly change every single one of them. I really appreciate you guys checking this out. If you have any questions about how I've built it, or if you want to check out Lightpost, you can go to lightpost.ai. Thank you.